Welcome to the Serengeti, one of the most extraordinary wildlife destinations on Earth. Located in northern Tanzania, the Serengeti is a vast land of endless plains, breathtaking landscapes, and incredible wildlife. The name Serengeti comes from the Maasai word Seringet, meaning the endless plains, a perfect description of this remarkable ecosystem that stretches as far as the eye can see. For thousands of years, the Serengeti has been home to one of the richest concentrations of wildlife in Africa. Its golden grasslands, scattered acacia trees, rivers, and rocky outcrops create the perfect habitat for countless species. Every sunrise brings a new chapter in the daily struggle for survival, where predators and prey play their roles in nature's timeless story. As the morning sun lights up the plains, herds of animals begin their journey across the landscape. Lions rest beneath the shade of trees. Elephants move gracefully through the grasslands. Giraffes browse on leaves high above the ground, and cheetahs scan the horizon for their next opportunity to hunt. The Serengeti is more than just a national park. It is a living masterpiece of nature, where life, survival, and beauty exist in perfect balance. Each season transforms the landscape, bringing new challenges and opportunities for the animals that call this place home. Yet among all the wonders of the Serengeti, one event stands above the rest. An event so spectacular that it attracts visitors, photographers, and wildlife lovers from around the world. It is a journey filled with danger, determination, and survival. A journey undertaken by millions of wildebeest every year. This is the story of the Great Migration, one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on the planet. But before we follow their incredible journey, let's first get to know the remarkable animals at the heart of this adventure, the wildebeest. Now, let's meet the true stars of this incredible story, the wildebeest. At first glance, wildebeest may seem like ordinary animals, but they are among the toughest and most resilient creatures in the African wilderness. In the Serengeti, more than 1 million wildebeest live and travel in massive herds. Their strong bodies and sturdy legs allow them to cover hundreds of kilometers each year in search of fresh grass and water. While they may not be as fast as cheetahs, they possess remarkable endurance that helps them survive long and demanding journeys. Wildebeest rely on strength in numbers. By staying together in large herds, they reduce the risk of falling victim to predators such as lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. Each animal follows the others, creating a powerful collective instinct that helps the herd detect danger and stay protected. Every year, thousands of wildebeest calves are born within a short period of time. Even more remarkable, these newborns can stand and walk just minutes after birth. This ability is essential because life in the Serengeti gives little chance to the weak and vulnerable. But despite their strength and unity, wildebeest face enormous challenges every year. As the rains move and the grass begins to dry, they are forced to embark on a long journey in search of new life. And that is where one of the greatest migrations on Earth truly begins. As the journey continues, the wildebeest do not travel alone. They are often accompanied by hundreds of thousands of zebras and gazelles, all searching for better grazing grounds. Together, they form one of the largest wildlife gatherings on Earth. Under the scorching African sun, the herds keep moving forward. Massive clouds of dust rise into the air as thousands of hooves strike the ground at the same time. From a distance, it appears as if the land itself is moving. During this migration, young wildebeest must learn quickly how to survive. Staying close to their mothers, they learn to follow the herd and react instantly when danger appears. For the newborn calves, every day is a lesson in survival. Even when night falls, the journey does not stop. Many herds continue moving beneath the moonlight and stars, following routes that their ancestors have traveled for thousands of years. It is an extraordinary instinct that continues to amaze scientists today. But as they move closer to their destination, the challenges become greater. The scent of water is now in the air, and ahead lies a massive obstacle that every wildebeest must face. The great river that separates them from fresh grazing lands is getting closer. This is where the most dangerous part of their journey begins. After a long journey across the vast plains of the Serengeti, the wildebeest finally reached the banks of the Mara River. Before them lies fast-moving water, steep riverbanks, and danger hidden beneath the surface. This is where one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth begins. Thousands of wildebeest gather along the river's edge. Some step forward cautiously before retreating. It is as if each animal is trying to sense the danger ahead. As more and more wildebeest arrive, the pressure to cross continues to build. Beneath the water, giant Nile crocodiles lie silently in wait. Some have been waiting for weeks, knowing that migration season has arrived. They remain almost motionless, conserving their energy for the perfect moment. Suddenly, one wildebeest leaps into the river. Within seconds, hundreds follow, and then thousands surge into the water at once. The river erupts into chaos as waves crash, hooves thunder, and the calls of the wildebeest echo across the landscape. Every animal struggles to reach the opposite bank. Some battle powerful currents, while others stumble in the crowded mass of bodies. In the confusion, crocodiles launch their attacks, bursting from the water with incredible speed in an attempt to catch their prey. Yet, despite the danger, the herd keeps moving forward. The determination of these animals is remarkable. Surrounded by water, noise, and fear, they continue fighting for survival. Many eventually reach the far bank, exhausted from the ordeal. As they climb out of the river, they shake with fatigue but waste little time resting. Instead, they quickly rejoin the herd and continue their journey. For those that make it across, it is a victory of life over death. But in the Serengeti, this is part of a natural cycle that has existed for thousands of years, and survival are written in the waters of the Mara River. After crossing the Mara River, the wildebeest's journey is far from over. Although they have overcome one of the greatest obstacles of their lives, many challenges still lie ahead. Exhausted from the long trek and the struggle of crossing the river, they continue moving in search of fresh grazing lands. Ahead of them are fertile plains nourished by seasonal rains. Here, the wildebeest find fresh grass that provides the energy they need to continue their journey. Vast herds spread across the landscape, feeding peacefully after their difficult ordeal. Yet, even in these new lands, danger remains. Lions, leopards, and hyenas continue to follow the herds, waiting for opportunities to hunt. For the wildebeest, life is a constant balance between finding food and avoiding predators. Their greatest strength remains their unity. By staying together in herds of thousands, they greatly improve their chances of survival. This powerful instinct for cooperation has helped wildebeest thrive in the Serengeti for thousands of years. As the sun sets over the Serengeti, painting the plains in golden light, the herds continue their journey. It is not a journey of days or weeks. The journey of the Serengeti wildebeest is much more than a search for food and water. It is a story of courage, endurance, and survival in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Every year, millions of wildebeest embark on this incredible migration, facing lions, hyenas, crocodiles, powerful rivers, and the exhaustion of traveling hundreds of kilometers. Despite all these dangers, they continue moving forward. Their natural instinct drives them to seek new grazing lands and a better chance of survival. It is a journey that has continued for thousands of years and remains one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on our planet. The Great Migration is not just an animal movement. It is a powerful reminder of the beauty, strength, and balance of nature. Every step taken by the wildebeest, every river crossing, and every survival story becomes part of the larger story of the Serengeti. For those fortunate enough to witness this event in person, it is an unforgettable experience. Watching thousands of wildebeest move across the endless plains and brave the dangerous river crossings is like witnessing one of nature's greatest wonders unfold before your eyes. As the sun sets over the golden plains of the Serengeti, the herds continue their endless journey. Their story reminds us that survival requires courage, determination, and the will to keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles ahead. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure through the Serengeti and the Great Wildebeest Migration. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories from Africa. And if you would like to experience the magic of the Serengeti for yourself, visit Afrinica Travel or contact us on WhatsApp for more information about unforgettable safari adventures in Tanzania. Until next time, let's continue to appreciate and protect the natural wonders of Africa.